this is how you do the glitch. First, let's reset. Okay, guys, this is a important thing to do. Now, play. Go to the kitchen. Get over here. Swing to make sure. Now, just do like this. Promise you guys this will work, I think. And if there is a chance this will work, then I probably don't. But this will work. What we need to do now is just do like this. And cobwebs to left. What? Why didn't it work? Wait. We'll see after this is done, guys. Bye. Guys, it works. It works kinda. Only this part is lagging. But these other ones not, for no reason. The other one I just show you normally do that. What the? No. Wait. It's kinda doing the same with this one. Whoa! Take these spiderwebs, huh? Oh. Boy, it's not doing anything. Well, now it's doing something. Come on, work. It's starting to glitch, I think. When did now work? And you know, whoa! Just not. What, bro? Whoa! Okay. Everything is not broken. Really? Oh, come on, you're a scammer. You're a scammer. Whoa! All of those, I think, can lag me out. Let's get to this. What? Oh no, it's beginning. It's beginning. Did you see it? That thing literally followed. Okay, thank goodness I'm stuck in the wall. See, this is what I'm talking about. Let's follow this actually. Whoa! You can't do that. Okay, this one. Seems like it's working. Okay, let's find a safe spot before everything got ruined. This thing's the other one, all of these things are destroyed and this is destroyed. Look what happened to everything, guys. See? This is proof. This took some tries, actually. The game is called Spider Puzzle. Wait, I swear I do not put this. Excuse me. To help put the roll. That one's still stuck on the ground. Maybe not. Oh no. Wow. Oh my gosh. Ruin everything. Look at this. Look. Wait, actually, no, this one's fixed. Good. Goodness grief. At least I'm finally safe. I think. Broke. One of them broke. Safe because it's zodiac. Oh, wait. Sky. There, look, fixing together. Like my spider webs are broken. Okay, let's get over here. Get over here. I don't know if it's safe or not. Some of these things are not really useful, guys. Wait. Pretty this is a cabinet. It's kind of less glitchy now. Oh, never mind. It's not glitchy. Whoa! Take shelter! Oh, gee. That's comfortable. Shaking.
Okay na agad. Di ba
Let me see the...
Tapos ako dito din yung mapasok.
This is going to fall.
Makita magmimina, may luho.
Luckily, that thing stayed to stop.
Wala si Tayo kamulig.
So, we need to go find the hiding spot. Back here. Oh, look in your back. And literally, oh my god, this probably another guys.
Sige, mararsa. Wala doon, bago mo pa katangan.
I don't know where to go. Whoa! Okay, this is pretty terrible. Oh no. No.
Nag-iba talaga, kahit baboy, nag-iba lang sa kasi
Yes, I don't think it's fixed now. Let's go under your control. I think we're When's that is there? Excuse me. Wait, why is this empty? Wait, this is empty. And look all of the empty dishes.
May stock ito, bro.
No.
Pag makuha ko, mabali ako, tangali mag-iba na ang brand.
No, our only safe place. No, this is our last safe place. Okay, some of the obstacles in this are broken.
Nakabali ako, make mabali ako mga sipinta.
Okay, then we'll take by those ones.
Nawakan.
Yes, guys. What's that? Is this shattered glass? This is shattered glass. Oh no. Again.
Kasi for 524.
Orak kahapon.
At ko na dito ako, at ko na abin.
Sa Pure Gold, waray mo.
Masako.
Oh no. Wait, now how? Whoa! It opens by itself. Oh, whoa! Stop! Ah!
Nabutan ko naman yun ha. Pag-alit ko sa...
Run!
Ito muna ako sa kuhan.
Goes.
Ito muna ako sa Sibor.
Oh my gosh, wait, this is no longer empty.
Mahapagkayada
No,
na
but
muna
this is
ako.
empty. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Everything is ruined.
Wala sa magkarabaw, no?
What's over there?
Simplahan na si mo.
How are you doing? Sick. So angry down there. Wait, that's it line. Oh no. Oh.
Nano kayo din natin mo?
Help. If you want to try this right now, the game is called
Chicken burger.
a snake. I mean
Depende sa
a
kuan.
spider.
Konfersaan, ikaw mismo ang mag-unhong
What's the word again, guys?
Kasi si Kuya kasi
Spider adventure.
Oh.
Yes.
Yun na yung last.
Journey. Yes, journey. Not adventure.
Mahulog na, hindi kayo iba.
What happened?
Kagabi,
Do you think what I'm thinking, guys?
Let's
Let's do it again. On this side. Whoa.
Ay, in-order nga kuhan, na burger
No,
sila.
this will
Mga
work
balon
way
sila
more
burger.
properly than those ones.
Oh, nilid. Ay,
Put me some brains.
Ang-iingay pa.
Let's hope this
Pero
will work
nag-order
again.
ng drinks. Sarayo.
This other one took some time. Need to add some.
Okay na yun. Takapin malaki ang
Wait, no, there's. Stop.
Ang lilikot pa.
Stop, I not need to get in.
Kulasway ko na nga gabi mo.
singgo eh.
Oh no, stop.
Masisira ang mga upuan sa inyo.
Dito sa
Upgrade mo sa rin yan ito.
No! Wee!
Dito daw sa may lapit, di ba sa kapit kung nadiretso kasi sa dahon.
Ah, sa dagat? Makatulog ako
Here.
na.
Gagawa na siguro.
Make sure.
Ito nga, madali dito.
Hindi si Jabu. Kasi dito yung birthday niya. Kabilangan dito.
That's what I want.
Pag kagabi nga dito, tanang talaga tanggal. Ano gamit.
How is it to
Bali yan nga, di ba yung nakatype ko sa marami ng coffee liwat?
not really
Tanggal
looks,
talaga nila.
Karena kasi ako dun dito nila.
but that's
Hindi
glitchy.
naman si Rapar, sa sipas ako.
Oh, pero atong kasi,
Saka ito kasi kagamit
Nakapal
talaga.
ito, mga kuhan.
Kagamit talaga sa gamit na.
Come on, work, please. Oh, it's working
Alam mo
again.
yung kagabi namin kape, paratula.
No!
Ha?
Tiran.
The jump.
Hindi, ano tatake namon. Kung nakakain
Really?
ko.
Whoa.
Pero dito naman. Kasi ang mga tao hindi may
Oh,
sa
yes.
barato, mga badil taas. Pag nakatali malaki, hindi rin na kinaulan sa mga sakay nila. Ikaw po ka
Game is getting pretty laggy now. I think this is a bad idea. No, so laggy. The camera.
Kaya mga nakatalis ang tiramisu na lain.
I need to get another
Kaya
spot.
kaya dapat
Oh,
sabi
wait, everything is ruined. Where am I supposed to hide?
Jeffrey,
oh, kaya pala popcorn.
hindi bakit pwede makibutang freezer nila ang tiramisu na?
Masisiraan ko ano.
It's just.
Makakap na yan dyan. Magkano yan?
I wonder this is where it goes. Remember? Remember this? Supposed to be all the way over there. Maybe I could launch because one of the webs didn't come over here.
Dili ka, basta, dili ka basta tubulun la. Basta dili maluwan. Kaya dili man sila, ibubutang man na dun. Dili man nila sa karne, ibubutang.
There.
Dili man na sa mag-share man sila.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
Kaya bang mata sa freezer may karne?
Di ba, sa freezer, sa bus. Dili na, may mamutang sila ng mga kwan at sa ibaw. Pwede dili, ibutang mo.
Kaya para magbukit sila para hindi gabi bomba.
So, what are you supposed to do with this? So,
Nang oras kayo, mamaya pa naman gabi kukunin.
Dili na sila permi.
yes.
Kaya dili pagkuha.
Can you read?
Kadaon na nila.
Barely move now because it's so laggy.
Lagi ko, bayan na lang kayo.
Oo, sige na, kami na nala.
No, because we did
Kaya,
Hindi pwede sakit mo, ano?
ganito lang ang freezer sa akin.
Okay.
Ito na ako.
At saka tiramisu
Right there. It's still safe. I think. Whoa! Still here.
Ano na lang na, kasi mo kasi
Oh, it's not moving. No, it's broken. All of these things are broken now. Look, it's broken now.
kasi mo na.
Okay,
Pag wala dito, wala
this is a
dito,
hide
pero ayun ang pagka mo. Ay para baka
because all those crabs.
kasi nag-iba talaga ang ras.
I could hide. But I don't know how long until this. I'm also not a hiding spot. Up there!
Pangay ba yun, Gwen?
Get up there, I need to get over there. But everything is nearly destroyed. Nearly, I mean, everything is destroyed. Whoa! Whoa! Not again.
Wala na bilang karne.
No, I need to hurry.
Kailangan yun, bumalo kayo na damo. Kaya yun
Get to safe cave in it.
Sana no.
I forgot this is empty.
Oh, problema sa,
What the hell is this? Excuse me, sir. Bye, guys.